Hello, welcome to Ngorongoro. After 6 days of conference, board meetings, and exhibitions, we're here on the seventh day at Ngorongoro Conservation Area, enjoying and seeing and refreshing our minds from the beauty, creativity that exists in Arusha, Tanzania. In Ngorongoro, we got the chance and opportunity to see 3 out of the big 5, the elephant, buffalo, and lion. Also, we got to see the beautiful crater that is so famous around the world. Our participants, our attendees got to have so much fun, knowledge, and entertainment today. Welcome Tanzania, welcome in Ngorongoro.